In today's video, we delve into the fascinating world of nutrition by exploring the 7 healthiest foods that can significantly enhance your well-being. Healthy eating is not just a trend, it is a fundamental aspect of maintaining overall health and vitality. The choices we make at the grocery store and on our plates can profoundly influence our physical and mental health, shaping everything from our energy levels to our risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating nutrient-dense foods into our diets, we can fuel our bodies with the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants they need to function optimally. This video series aims to engage and inform you about the incredible benefits of these superfoods, which not only nourish our bodies but also support our immune systems, improve our mood, and promote longevity. As we navigate through the list of these 7 powerhouse foods, we will highlight their unique health benefits and how they can be easily integrated into your daily meals. It's essential to understand the direct connection between our food choices and health outcomes. What we eat can either be a source of healing or a contributor to illness. When discussing what makes a food healthy, it's essential to consider several key factors that influence our overall well-being. One of the most critical aspects is the role of insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Certain foods, particularly those high in refined sugars and carbohydrates, can cause rapid spikes in insulin levels. This can lead to energy crashes and increased cravings, making it challenging to maintain a balanced diet. Understanding how different foods affect insulin can help us make better choices that support stable energy levels and overall health. Another vital factor to consider is nutrient density, which refers to the amount of essential nutrients a food contains relative to its calorie content. Foods that are nutrient-dense, such as leafy greens, berries, and lean proteins, provide a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants without excessive calories. This is crucial for promoting optimal health, as it ensures that our bodies receive the necessary nutrients to function effectively. Additionally, nutrient absorption plays a significant role in how our bodies utilize the nutrients we consume. Foods that are rich in healthy fats, for example, can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, making them even more beneficial. Low-carb options have gained popularity for their potential health benefits, particularly for those looking to manage their weight or blood sugar levels. Reducing carbohydrate intake can help stabilize insulin levels and promote fat burning, making it an effective strategy for many individuals. Furthermore, the impact of fiber and fat on health cannot be overstated. Fiber-rich foods, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, support digestive health and help regulate blood sugar levels. Healthy fats, found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are essential for brain health and hormone production. In summary, a healthy food choice is one that supports stable insulin levels, is nutrient-dense, and incorporates low-carb options, while emphasizing the importance of fiber and healthy fats. By considering these factors, we can make informed decisions that promote long-term health and well-being. In our next video, we'll explore the first of our 7 healthiest foods, sauerkraut, a probiotic powerhouse that offers remarkable benefits for gut health and beyond. Stay tuned.